Hi, I'm Barbara. Today I'm showing you how to make a really easy recipe, flourless chocolate cake. This cake is so chocolatey and delicious. It's every chocolate lover's dream cake. So grab your baking pan and let's go make some cake. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description. And be sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And check out more of my videos for delicious recipes you can easily make at home. See you there.